Hello there guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to turn images into line drawing in Photoshop. And also we will dive deeper into converting layers to smart object, applying filter like oil paint, poster edge, and gradient map. So let's get started. So here in our document, I got here an image of this boy. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of this background layer. So going on to the layers panel, right click on that background layer and then choose duplicate layer. And then let's name this one as the pencil drawing. Hit OK. Alright, after that, we're going to turn this pencil drawing layer into a smart object. So to do that, right click on that layer and then choose convert to smart object. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Going back, now the first filter we're going to apply here will be the oil paint. So with that pencil drawing layer selected, go to the menu bar, go to filter, go to stylize and find oil paint. And this oil paint dialog box will appear. And then for the settings from the stylization, I'm gonna set this one into 6.7. From the cleanliness, let's leave it to 6.2. Scale to 2.2. And for the bristle detail, set this one to 5. Okay, so actually you can just play around with it for the adjustment that you're satisfied with, okay? And once all said and done, hit OK. Alright, so we already apply here the oil paint. Look at what happened. Now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to apply another filter that will be the poster edge. So to do that, select it on that pencil drawing layer, go to the menu bar, go to filter, and find filter gallery. And this dialog box will appear. So where to find the poster edge, go to artistics. Under that, you can find the poster edge. So select that. And then from the options, I'm going to set the edge thickness to 2. For the edge intensity to full, yes, 10. For the posterization to 6, all right? And once all said and done, hit OK. So when I did that, it tried to create lines on the edges of the image. Now the next step here is we're going to add the gradient map. So to do that, going on to the bottom right corner of our screen, select on the adjustment layer icon, and then choose on gradient map. So under the properties, I'm going to click this one. All right, there you go. And once I click that, this gradient editor will appear. So from the preset, go to basics and let's find this one. All right, click on this black and white gradient. And then going here, all right, so from the highlights, I'm going to click and drag it, moving to the left to remove those grayish color. All right, okay, so there are. Also from the black, I'm going to move this one moving to the right just a bit, making sure that all the details of the edges are visible. I'm good with this. Now hit OK. Now once I zoom this one in, there are areas like wrinkle on this boy's face. Okay. All right. So to remove that, we're gonna make use of a brush tool. So selected that pencil drawing layer. Let's create a new layer on top of it. There you are. Okay. And then get our brush tool on the toolbar, or just press B for the shortcut key. For the options, I'm gonna set the brush to soft round. For the opacity into 100%, also the flow to 100%. For the foreground, I'm going to hold Alt. While holding it, I may now able to get a sample color from the white area. All right. So once I already have that, I can already start removing those wrinkle part on the subject's face. Just adjust the brush size for you to erase those wrinkles detailedly. All right, and then let's also clean the background area to white. All right, now I almost cleaned some part of it. Okay, now let me just zoom this one out. All right, there we are. Now we're done with it. Now let me show you the before and after. So this one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to turn images into line drawing in Photoshop.